Hey, I'm Helen with Floating Yoga School. Retreats are back. First up for this year is July 3rd through 9th in Muskoka, Canada. This lush cottage country is full of beautiful forests, waterways, lakes, and we'll be staying in cottages at Lantern Bay Resort. Right along the waterway, you'll have daily access to yoga, meditation, a chance to paddleboard, kayak, swim, relax. We'll have a lot of downtime built in. This is not a retreat that's overly scheduled or overly designed. It's more a time to unplug, disconnect, and come back to yourself. I always have this moment when I'm in Muskoka that I feel this huge deep exhale once I've finally kind of settled in, where I can let go of the pressures of the outside world and really appreciate being in nature, appreciate being in the present moment. And that's truly what a yoga practice is all about. So what better way to practice it? It's one of my favorite places in the whole wide world, and I'm so excited to share it with you. For more details and information, go to floatingyogaschool.com. Spaces are limited, so be sure to reserve now if you're interested in joining to secure your spot. I look forward to practicing with you and sharing Muskoka with you all.